Well, good morning. Welcome to you all. Welcome to the honor roll assembly for the first marking period for Texas Avenue School. And I want to say congratulations to you all. I am very proud of you. Some faces I know and I expected to be here, right?
You can sit down.
Yes, I did. I want you to take me here. Some of you was getting the A's, straight A's or A's and B's. Sorry.
All K through 5 students report to the cafeteria. K through 5 all students report to the cafeteria.
Some of you have been getting A's and B's since the kindergarten or even preschool. And you're getting older now, and I want to encourage you to keep it up. I know the older you get, the more difficult it becomes, and you have to do more, you're more responsible, you have more responsibilities. So please, ask for help from anybody that you've already had, from your kindergarten teacher to your 8th grade teacher to Dr. Christian to Mrs. Avery. All right? We need you guys to stay focused, remain on the path that you're on, and high school will be easy if you keep doing what you're doing. Don't get to high school, some of you next year. Raise your hand for the 8th graders. Woo! I'm gonna miss y'all next year. You wanna miss me? Whatever. Who said that? You have a detention with Miss Muhammad for the rest of the year. Rest of the year, like the person said. So listen, when you get to high school is a total thing for these 8th graders. You gotta remain focused. Don't get too pretty for yourself and don't get too cute for yourself. All right? So with that being said, another congratulations to you all. And we will start handing out the rewards. I would expect everybody who's this intelligent to get A's and B's and straight A's to be respectful. Part of being intelligent is having good character. Therefore, I don't expect any talking. Just in case you didn't understand what that meant. You didn't catch that indication. I'm using words and expressions that you should all understand and follow. Right? Right. All right, so the first congratulations, we're going to start with the 8th grade and go down to 6th graders who received all A's on their report card for the first marking period. So we have M.D. Barry, congratulations. Amana Beagle, congratulations, Amana. Raham Imran, congratulations.
Come on up, guys, come on. Walk all the way up.
You're gonna walk to your left, walk to your right, and then go down to your left. Duff Lee. Razo Robson. Rahat Rahman. Selena Wayne. Those are 8th grade students, and like I said, I know some of you are taking algebra, if not all of you, congratulations, and give yourself a pat on your back. We will start with 7th grade. Rathima Campbell. Tasneem Khan. Bushara Khan, Khartoum. Congratulations. Corrine Ashton. Ruth Bragamontes. Oh, I'm sorry. Corrine started the 6th grade, so congratulations to the 7th graders. Zoe Carrasco. Ashar Chartery. Ryan DeLorbes. Adam Frederick. Ali Handra. Anissa Kabir. Iris Loretta. Fatima Morshed. Alexis. You know Alexis always messes up. Who's the Alexis? Ah, sorry, Alexis. And I had the nerve to have you. No, don't get mad at me. And Farouz Sugat. Congratulations to all these students from 8th grade to 7th grade to 6th grade. Received all A's in the first marking period. Oh, I'm sorry. Now, I'm not done after arresting me from the front row. Okay. Now we will go through the A and B honor roll, starting with the 8th graders. A and B honor roll is just as prestigious as the all A honor roll. Because like I said, the older you get, the more difficult the lessons, the more responsibility you have to retain the information that you learn. So, starting with 8th grade for the A and B honor roll, we have Mir Anaf. I'm sorry, that is Mir Adib Anaf. So I can just say Atif Anaf. Janicia Ralston. But you know, this is the spelling is messing my paper. Naftali Carrasco. Shara, how do you say Shara? Is that Valeria Chartery? I'm sorry, wait, listen, 1 second. Are these all here? She's trying to do it. Oh, okay, Sherman, I'm sorry, I was mixing up the last name, forgive me. I'll go over here. Sharon Chartery, I'm sorry. So Valeria Medina. Anya Gomez. Diego Gonzalez. Faraz Amram. Defisul Islam. Maya Langer. Hillary Lopez. Giselle Maldonado. Sayed Nakiba. Erica Mendoza. Miguel Martinez. Linden. Sakyata Mirahman. Jadril, I'm sorry, Jadril, I'm on Jack. Jack, come on down, you should Jack. Come on, Rodriguez. Yenzel Rodriguez. Jennifer Rivera. Sumaya Sabadine. Emily Santiago. Sumaya Tabasu. Anna Torres. Sophia Islam. Mustafa Adel. Wahab Anwar. Mario Benegas, Kelsey Bonilla, Andres Flores, Mary Ito, Ashley Hernandez, Esmeralda Laredo, Faiza Latin, Fergie Mejia, Farhan Rada, Farhan Imrita, Asma, Ashley Hess, Eva Reyes, Hajibin Sikta, Isabella Garcia, Camelia Cordona, Favor, Natalie Rivera, Ariel Mendez, Ridwan Muhammad, Wilmer Rodriguez, Asmira Mazamil, Sophia Sam, Muhammad Tassim, and Josephine Zach. Now, if I butchered your name, forgive me. Because I know some of you butchered my name too. But in lieu of me butchering the names, again, congratulations to you all. May you be proud of yourselves. May you support one another. I already told you that have a part of having being intelligent is having good character. If someone's speaking, then you can't listen if you're speaking too. The thing about, I was just talking to somebody recently about having K to 8 in the same school. And the thing about having K to 8 in the same school, I voted against it. Because you guys are becoming teenagers and young adults, and we have little kids. So you have to know that you have to be a role model through your studies, through your behavior, through your attitude, through your respect for yourself, others, and for the building. So may you salute yourselves and honor yourselves as we do to you, and may your parents be proud of you too, and you keep up the hard work.